Bismillah ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the book of prayer, funerals. Abdullah bin Umar raziyallahu anhu reported, while we were sitting with the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a person, one of the Ansar, came to him and greeted him. The Ansari then turned back. Upon this, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O brother of Ansar, how is my brother Saad bi Ubadah raziyallahu anhu?" He said, "He is better." The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who among us you would visit him?" He, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, stood up, and we also got up along with him, and we were more than 10 persons. We had neither shoes with us, nor socks, nor caps, nor shirts. We walked on the barren land till we came to him. The people around him kept away till the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions with him came near him. Saad bi Ubadah raziyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 925. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.